Okay guys, what we're going to do here today is we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Klipsch top of the range in-ceiling speaker. What I have here in front of me is the PRO-160 RPC, which is their reference premier range, and it's their 6.5 inch woofer. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to just quickly out of the box show you what you get. So initially on top you get your paint shield. Okay, it's a really nice touch in terms of you can actually press it against, when you put your pre-construction ring in, you clip this to the ceiling. As you can see, there is magnetic grills, magnetic clamps to actually clip it in. Clip it on the ceiling, you paint around it, paint over it, pull it down and throw it away. Okay, so it's a nice feature. Then, as you can see, it's quite well packaged. With some of the bits and bobs in it, you get the really nice brochure, tells you all about it, tells your hand all about it, and it tells you the installation process if you're not familiar with it. Unlike some of the other brands out there, within Klipsch you get both square and circle. So depending on what you need or what your interior designer maybe wants, you've got these two options. Okay, the grills within Klipsch are really, they're very nice. They're probably the nicest that I've seen in a very long time. They're actually magnetic, completely bezel-less, so it's edge to edge on the actual grill. The perforations in the grill are really nice. They're very slight and quite compact. If necessary, you can actually go ahead and remove the Klipsch badge. So if someone does want to have a brandless or something that's completely more discreet, they can go ahead and have that too. And that's both for the square and the circle. Okay. Then you actually get into the main event. You have got the actual speaker itself. So as you can see, as you can possibly tell, the build quality on this is very nice. It's out of the box, it's really weighty. First thing you would notice is that the actual terminations for your left and right are really solid. Okay, it's very nice, very tactile. What you've got within the reference premier range is what they call the secure fit product. So what that is a pre-construction collar or pre-construction ring, and it comes as two-part. So if I go ahead and remove that, set the speaker down, you go ahead and you pop this into the ceiling. Then you will go ahead and clamp on your magnetic grill. You go ahead and clamp on your magnetic grill and you paint around it. Then when you're ready, you can come along and you can slot the speaker in, and it's a click, and that's it into place. With the dog legs, it's actually really very robust dog legs. They are a standard, just screw battery driver into it, and it fits into the ceiling. The actual speaker itself, I personally favour this one. The design of it is really nice. What you've got here is a really nice, quite unique coloration. It's a cerametatic woofer, 6.5 inch woofer, and then you've got a dome tweeter, which is actually their Tractrix horn. Essentially, if you're not aware of what the Tractrix horn is, it's just a very smooth equation. Essentially, they have a really just beautiful tone to them from start to finish. They have such a wide frequency response, and these things will actually kick out up to a peak of 200 watts. So they can be used in the likes of home cinemas, media rooms, or just absolutely phenomenal background audio. The actual installation process of that will be quite hard to demonstrate here, but it's simply like that. You put this in the ceiling. For those of you who aren't familiar with the collar sort of setup, you go and marry up the actual screws, and you will slot it in, and it's just a quick turn, and then you can go ahead and screw it in and screw it down if you want to be more secure. Feel that's the installation process, and this is just a stunning piece of kit. And when your grill's over it, you just have there's no sign of anything. Beautiful piece of kit. And that's the reference premier, so that's the 6.5 inch. There is an 8 inch. And there is the likes of the THX above that again.